Alright chickies, so today we're going to be unboxing the July Boxycharm. This is a $21 a month monthly subscription. Inside you are guaranteed 5 full-size items. We're going to do like a try-on style, and I'm really excited to see what is in here because I just received it the other day. So let's check it out. I always provide a postcard which tells you about the box, and this month's box is au naturel. The first thing we have in here is from Butter London. This is an eyeshadow palette. And ooh, there we go. Those are pretty colors. 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this retails for $32. I have some brushes from Luxie, and this is called the Luxie G. I believe, I'm not really too sure. 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And this retails for $30. The bristles are super soft. I'm just a fan in general of Luxie brushes, so I'm happy that this was in our box this month. Next in our box, this is from the brand Appeal, and this is a gel liner. It says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel liner, and this retails for $21, which is called Forest Green. I'm going to take the brown shadow from the palette, and I'm just going to set it because I just don't want it to smear or to run. I'm just going to set right underneath it. Next in our box is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Des Nude as lip gloss. Doesn't have a scent so far. A long-lasting thickening formula that conditions the lips while delivering high shine and full pigmentation. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and always cruelty-free. And this retails for $15. Lastly in our box is from the brand Elemis. This is a superfood vital veggie mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And this retails for $35. Since this is more of like a skincare item, I really wanted to test this out for a couple of days, so definitely keep an eye out for an update in a Sunday Faves and Nays, which will be up this coming Sunday. Make sure you guys are subscribed and also hit that bell to be notified when that video goes live. So this is the look I ended up creating using the items from this month's Boxycharm. Recap on the items we used in today's look: the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, which contains 6 eyeshadows. You have 2 mattes, and then the rest we have our shimmer. I have to say, I actually really enjoyed playing around with this eyeshadow palette. I think one of my favorite shadows in here is definitely this one called Queen, because it has a bit of a shift to it. It looks like a peachy color, but it also has like a lavender shift to it. I wish though that they had a medium toned matte brown shadow in the palette, but always grab another shadow from a different palette or even a bronzer. Overall, I was really impressed with the palette. I like the eye look that we came up with today. They're very easy to blend, and these shimmers are absolutely beautiful. And I didn't even have any fallout, which I was really impressed with. For the Luxie G brush set, the only one I kind of wasn't too fond of was the 510 foundation brush. I think just because I am not a big fan of foundation brushes like this in general. However, these two, the precision crease brush, this is perfect for just packing color onto the lid. It picked up the shadows beautifully. Luxie large eye blending brush blended the shadows beautifully, didn't get any patchiness. I'm a big fan of Luxie brushes, so I was very pleased that this was in the July box. As for the Appeal gel liner in Forest Green, I love the way how it looks on the lower lash line. I tend to forget to use liner in the bottom lower lash line. This just made the eyes stand out a bit more. It made it look a bit more dramatic. So this color, I know I'm definitely going to be incorporating it in more looks. And then we have the Alamar Cosmetics Des Nude Lip Gloss. I don't think I mentioned the shade. It's called Coqueta. I love the shade because it's more of like a mauvey pink. I will say though, it is on the sticky side. It is very sticky. You can definitely feel that there's a lip gloss on there, but I love the shade and I know that this is something that I'm gonna throw in my bag and rotate with my other lip glosses. So all in all, I'm very happy with the items in the July Boxycharm. Let me know what you received. Did we get different items or did we get the same exact things? I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you already haven't to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you Chickies so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.